Hello friends, welcome to the Careers in Consulting channel. So job security is in the minds of everyone, especially in the current times because there is a lot of uncertainty in the global markets. And in today's video, I will talk about some practical tips, and if you will follow these practical tips, it will ensure job security for yourself. So this will be a very important video. Please do watch it till the end, do like it and do subscribe to the channel, and do provide your feedback in the comment section as well. So let's start. So the first tip which I would like to talk about here is you need to be a learning machine at your company. So you have to realize that learning is a continuous lifelong process, because a lot of people, they think that once their formal education, graduation, post graduation is over, learning is also over there. But that is not the correct mindset. You need to do continuous learning at your job as well, and try to learn things which will help you add more value to your company, to your clients. And people who know multiple things, they are able to add value in multiple ways to their job as well. So always be on the lookout for new technologies, new trends. And for example, currently AI is the new thing, which is the in thing, which is in demand. So try to learn about these new in things, about these technologies which are in demand. And this is the best way by which you can ensure job security for yourself. That was point number one. Number two, never be on the bench. So when you know that your project is about to get over, always be on the lookout. When you know that you are on bench, always be on the lookout. Of course, your priority shall be working on client projects, but if due to some reason you are not able to get allocated on a client project, try to get allocated on some proposal work, on some business development work. And even if you are not able to find some business development or a proposal work, try to work on some non-billable project, but do not sit idle. Reach out to people, reach out to your partners, reach out to your managers, reach out to your higher leadership, reach out to on-site managers, on-site partners if required, but reach out to people and try to get some work for yourself, because you have to realize that people who are on bench, they are in great danger, especially when any kind of downsizing happens in the corporate. So do make a note of this point. Moving on to the third point, do not be restricted to a single role at your job. So talking about mindset, a lot of people have this kind of a mindset that they need to get set in life. They think that they will work on a single role during their entire lifetime, but that is not the correct mindset. When you are working in corporate, you are working in a company, try to learn about those other functions as well. So if I give you one example, let's say you are working on some client proposal and there are multiple teams involved in that proposal, and again, taking a hypothetical scenario that you are part of the cloud team. Now, apart from your cloud team, there may be other teams also working on that same proposal. There may be some operations team working on the proposal, some HR teams working on that proposal as well. So if you can, try to learn things from the operations team as well, or try to learn things from the other teams as well. Try to learn about these functions, how they are also adding value to the clients. And once you have learned about these functions as well, try to bring those learnings to your projects as well, so that your team will also know that this person has knowledge of multiple functions. This person is not limited to his or her own role only, right? And when you bring value to your company in multiple functions, in multiple roles, that will help you become an irreplaceable asset in your company, and that will help you become indispensable, right? So very important that you try to learn about other functions as well. Moving on, point number 4, try to be good at PowerPoint and Excel skills. So PowerPoint and Excel are two very important tools which are used in most of the corporate companies, And especially for client presentations, most of the client presentations are in PowerPoint. So if you are good in PowerPoint, then you will be asked to make the PPTs for client presentations. And in case if you are not asked to create a PowerPoint presentation by your boss, you can also volunteer for the same, that sir or ma'am, I am very good at PPT skills. I can volunteer to take up this client presentation. Right? And most of the cases, people who are creating these PowerPoint presentations, they are delivering the same to the client as well. Right? And once you deliver client presentations, you deliver a lot of client presentations, you get a lot of recognition at your workplace as well. And when you get this kind of recognition, you are considered to be a very important asset of your team. It will help you become irreplaceable, it will help you become indispensable, and that will help you ensure job security as well for yourself. Now moving on, point number 5, always speak up and be confident at your workplace. So a lot of people will tell you, and a lot of articles will also tell you, that you need to be a good listener at work. But you need to realize that people who talk the most, who speak the most, are the most recognized at the workplace. Right? So it does not matter that you are an introvert, you are an extrovert. Try to speak up as much as you can. Try to speak up in client presentations, in internal team discussions, in practice calls, practice discussions. Right? Always try to speak as much as you can. It is very, very important. And also be confident about your work. Know very well about the work you do and be confident. And when you have these kind of soft skills, you are good in speaking, good in talking, you are a confident person. When you have these kind of soft skills, these soft skills will also ensure job security for yourself. So very important. Do make a note of this point as well. Moving on, point number 6, try to own tasks which other people find difficult. So at every company, in every corporate company, there are some tasks which people find very difficult. People don't want to do these tasks. Either these tasks are very difficult, very complex, or these tasks take a lot of time as well. Now you have to take the initiative. You can take up these tasks, and if you are able to take up these tasks, it will help you become irreplaceable, indispensable in your team. Right? And your company cannot replace you, because you are the person who is able to do these tough, these complex tasks. So very important. And building on this point, point number 7, try to become an expert in something. So try to become an expert, an SME, a subject matter expert in something at your company. Very important. And if you become an SME in something, then again your company will not be able to replace you. You become irreplaceable, you become indispensable. And if I give you one example, let's say you are very good in Microsoft Excel skills. You are very good in implementing those advanced formulas, in advanced charts in Microsoft Excel. So you can be an SME in Microsoft Excel at your company, and a lot of people, most of the people in your company will be utilizing Excel, and you will always be the go-to person for any queries, any questions regarding Microsoft Excel. And people will reach out to you, and you will be recognized at your workplace as someone who cannot be replaced. And by doing this, you will be able to ensure job security for yourself. So these were some very important practical tips I wanted to talk about you in this video, and I hope you will follow these tips and you will implement these in your corporate career, and you will see that you will be recognized at your workplace. You will be seen as a resource who is very, very important in the team, who cannot be replaced, who is indispensable. Right? And at the end of the day, if you are doing these things, you are following these solutions, you can feel that your job is very secure. You can ensure job security for yourself. So I hope you liked the content in this video. Do like it and do subscribe to the channel. And for any personalized questions, queries, you can reach out to me on the provided WhatsApp number as well. You can find this WhatsApp number in the description section of any video of my channel. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.